How to change view on Google Maps satellite view. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, well, it is possible to look a place on how it has changed over the years, but to do that, it is very not easy because it is not available for all reasons, and only some regions and some places on which Google Map or Google Earth has actually updated, it will give you that possibility and be able to find this feature. So first of all, what we are going to do is we're going to go to the Google Maps over here. And okay, so if I wanted to go ahead and simply download another application, I would download the Google Earth application, because Google Earth has a much more detailed view on how a place used to actually look like. So that could be a good recommendation. But right now on the Google Maps over here, what I can do is I'm going to simply search for a place over here. I'm going to search for CN Tower, and then after that it will give me this location and this view over here. Now I just have to tap on this picture over here, tap on that picture, and you'll be able to see the satellite view of the location over here. So you can see. So after that, you just have to tap on the see latest photos, and you can see this was taken a year ago. Now this is possible to see on the year change, or you can see the years changing only when someone has manually updated or clicked different photos and updated manually in this Google Map. Otherwise there's no other option. So you can just scroll and you can see how this place looks over here. So you can see the duration over here, or the time period. So you can see this was 1 year ago, this was 1 week ago, this was 1 year ago again, and so on. So this was 11 months ago, this was 1 month ago, and so on. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.